When you understand that abundance is vibrational and not circumstantial, you step into a place of immense personal power. You are no longer a victim of the external, and instead, you become a co-creator of your reality. But let's explore this deeper. Why do so many chosen ones struggle to access this abundance, despite knowing its existence? It begins with the conditioning most of us have absorbed since birth. We are taught that hard work alone leads to success, that circumstances define our worth, and that scarcity is a natural part of life. While effort and discipline have their place, they are secondary to vibrational alignment. If your energy is in conflict with your desires, no amount of physical labor will bridge the gap. It's like rowing against a powerful current. You might make progress, but it's exhausting and unsustainable. This is where the magic of vibrational awareness comes in. Instead of fighting the current, you learn to flow with it. Imagine the feeling of effortless movement, where every action feels inspired and every opportunity seems to appear at just the right moment. This isn't luck. It's the result of tuning your energy to the frequency of abundance. Let's pause and consider this. Have you ever had a day when everything seemed to go right? You woke up in a good mood, and suddenly, parking spots appeared, people were kind to you, and things just flowed. That's vibrational alignment in action. Conversely, think of a day when you were stressed and nothing seemed to work. That's the opposite, resistance manifesting as obstacles. Here's the crucial point: your vibration acts as a magnet. It pulls experiences, people, and opportunities into your reality that match its frequency. If you emit doubt, fear, or lack, you'll attract situations that confirm those feelings. On the other hand, if you radiate confidence, joy, and abundance, you draw in experiences that reflect those emotions. You might be wondering, how do I start shifting my vibration when my external reality feels heavy? The answer lies in small, intentional changes. Start by examining the language you use daily. Are you saying things like, "I can't afford that," or "nothing ever works out for me"? These statements reinforce scarcity. Replace them with phrases like, "I'm open to new opportunities," or "abundance is always flowing toward me." Words carry energy, and consistent positive language creates a powerful ripple effect. Next, take control of your focus. What dominates your attention? Are you consumed by negative news, financial worries, or past disappointments? Shift your attention to what feels good, even if it's small: a warm cup of tea, a beautiful sunset, or the laughter of a friend. These moments of gratitude amplify your vibration and open the door to more joy. Now, let's address a key obstacle: impatience. Many chosen ones get discouraged because their manifestations don't appear immediately. Remember, the universe operates on divine timing. Delays don't mean denial. They often signal that you need more time to align fully with your desire. Imagine planting a seed. You don't dig it up the next day to check if it's growing. You trust the process, water it, and let it unfold naturally. Manifestations work the same way. Nurture them with positive energy and trust they will appear when the timing is perfect. Here's an exercise to help you deepen your alignment. Visualize your ideal life as if it's already happening. Close your eyes and see yourself surrounded by everything you desire, whether it's financial abundance, loving relationships, or vibrant health. Feel the emotions of gratitude and excitement as if it's real now. This isn't daydreaming. It's a powerful practice that trains your subconscious mind to accept abundance as your reality. Before we move on, I want to share a quick story about a fellow chosen one who experienced this transformation. She struggled with financial lack for years, despite working tirelessly. One day, she decided to stop focusing on her debts and started imagining her bank account growing. She practiced gratitude daily, even for small blessings like a free cup of coffee or an unexpected compliment. Within months, she received a promotion, unexpected financial gifts, and opportunities that turned her life around. Her circumstances didn't change by chance. They changed because her vibration shifted. As we continue, I'll guide you through more tools and insights to help you tap into this powerful state. But for now, Hold onto this truth. The abundance you seek isn't out there somewhere. It's already within you, waiting for you to claim it. Your journey to alignment has begun, and the best is yet to come. Now that we've laid the foundation for understanding vibrational alignment, let's dive deeper into how you can sustain this state even when faced with challenges. As a chosen one, you are naturally sensitive to the energy around you. While this sensitivity is a gift, it can also make you more susceptible to negativity if you don't guard your energy. Think of your vibration as a delicate flame. It needs protection from strong winds, those winds being doubt, fear, and external influences that pull you out of alignment. This is why setting energetic boundaries is crucial. You must be intentional about the environments you place yourself in, the people you surround yourself with, and the media you consume. Ask yourself, does this interaction or activity raise my vibration or drain it? If it's the latter, it might be time to step back. Let's talk about one of the most common energy-draining habits, comparison. In the age of social media, it's easy to look at someone else's highlight reel and feel like you're falling behind. But here's a truth that will set you free. Your journey is uniquely yours. No one else has your exact purpose, talents, or path. Comparing your progress to someone else's is like comparing the growth of an oak tree to that of a sunflower. Both are beautiful, but they flourish in their own time. Instead of comparison, practice celebration. When you see someone else succeeding, let it inspire you rather than discourage you. Celebrate their abundance as evidence that the universe has infinite resources. Another person's success doesn't take away from yours. In fact, it's a reminder that if it's possible for them, it's possible for you. Now, let's address a subtle but powerful factor that can block your abundance: resistance. Resistance often shows up as inner conflict. For example, you may want financial freedom, but deep down, you believe money is hard to come by or that being wealthy makes you greedy. These conflicting beliefs create static in your vibration, preventing your desires from fully manifesting. To release resistance, you must identify and rewrite these limiting beliefs. Start by asking yourself, what stories am I telling about abundance? Write them down. You might find beliefs like, I'm not good enough, or I always struggle. Once you've identified them, challenge them. Ask, is this belief absolutely true? More often than not, you'll realize it's a story you've adopted, not an unchangeable fact. Replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For instance, if you've been telling yourself, I'll never get ahead, start affirming, I am always progressing toward my goals. Repetition is key here. Your mind learns through repetition, so the more you affirm positive beliefs, the more they become your default state. Let's move to another critical piece of the puzzle: inspired action. Some chosen ones misunderstand the concept of vibrational alignment and think it means sitting back and waiting for abundance to appear. While your energy does most of the work, action is still required, but not just any action. The most powerful actions come from a place of alignment. How do you recognize inspired action? It feels good. It feels exciting, energizing, and purposeful. It's the idea that pops into your head seemingly out of nowhere, the opportunity that lights you up inside. Pay attention to these intuitive nudges. They are your higher self guiding you toward your desires. Here's an example to illustrate this. Imagine you've been visualizing a new career opportunity. One day, you feel an urge to reach out to an old colleague or update your resume, even if it seems insignificant. That's inspired action. It's often small steps like these that open the door to monumental changes. When you take action in alignment with your higher self, the results are amplified. But what happens when doubt creeps in? What if you take inspired action and don't see immediate results? This is where trust comes in. Trusting the process is one of the hardest, but most rewarding lessons you'll learn as a chosen one. Remember, the universe operates on its own timeline, not yours. Just because you can't see progress doesn't mean it isn't happening. Think of it like planting a garden. You don't see the seeds sprouting the day after you plant them, but you trust that with sunlight and water, growth is happening underground. The same is true for your manifestations. As long as you're nurturing your vibration and taking inspired action, You can trust that the universe is working behind the scenes. Here's an exercise to build your trust. Keep a manifestation journal. Write down every small sign of progress or alignment you notice. It could be something as simple as seeing repeated angel numbers, receiving unexpected compliments, or feeling an uplift in your mood. These small signs are evidence that your vibration is shifting and your desires are on their way. Before we move on, let's take a moment to reflect. Your journey as a chosen one is not about perfection, it's about progress. Every small step you take toward alignment is a victory. Celebrate those wins, no matter how small they seem. Abundance is not a distant destination, it's a journey, and you're already on the path. We're just getting started. Up next, we'll explore how to deepen your connection with your higher self and strengthen your intuitive guidance system. This is where the real magic happens, so stay with me. You won't want to miss what's coming next. As a chosen one, understanding your connection to the universe is a pivotal step in aligning with abundance. Let's delve into the heart of this connection. Your higher self, this divine part of you, is always attuned to the frequency of love, peace, and prosperity. But how do you tap into this connection consistently? That's what we're going to explore now. First, it's important to realize that your higher self is never distant. It's not something you have to find or chase, it's within you, always. However, accessing it requires stillness. In our busy, overstimulated world, many chosen ones struggle to quiet the noise long enough to hear the whispers of their higher self. This is where practices like meditation come in. Meditation isn't about sitting in silence for hours, it's about creating space in your mind to receive guidance. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. As you inhale, imagine drawing in light and clarity. As you exhale, release stress and doubt. With practice, this simple act becomes a powerful way to tune into your higher self. Once you're in a calm state, ask your higher self for guidance. You might say, "What do I need to know right now?" Or, "What's my next best step?" Trust the first thoughts, images, or feelings that come to you. They might not make sense immediately, but they are breadcrumbs leading you toward your desires. Let's take a moment to address a common concern. You might be thinking, how do I know if it's my higher self or just my imagination? The key lies in how the message feels. Guidance from your higher self feels light, loving, and empowering. It often comes with a sense of calm, certainty, even if it challenges you to step out of your comfort zone. Fear-based thoughts, on the other hand, feel heavy, anxious, or restrictive. With practice, you'll learn to distinguish between the two. Now, let's talk about a tool that can deepen this connection: visualization. Visualization is like a bridge between your current reality and your desired future. When you vividly imagine the life you want, you activate the same neural pathways in your brain as if you were living it now. This sends a powerful signal to the universe, aligning your vibration with your desires. Here's how to do it effectively. Set aside a few minutes each day to close your eyes and imagine yourself living your dream life. Picture the details. What does your home look like? Who are you with? What are you doing? But don't stop at the visuals. Tap into the emotions. Feel the joy, peace, or excitement as if it's happening right now. The stronger the emotion, the stronger the vibration you emit. For example, if financial abundance is your goal, visualize yourself checking your bank account and seeing a number that makes you smile. Imagine the freedom that comes with it, the trips you take, the generosity you share, the security you feel. By doing this regularly, you're not just dreaming, you're programming your subconscious mind to believe in this reality. But here's the catch: visualization works best when paired with belief. If you're visualizing abundance while secretly doubting its possibility, you're sending mixed signals to the universe. This is why affirmations are so powerful. They reinforce the belief in your vision. Start each morning with affirmations like, "I am worthy of abundance. Prosperity flows to me with ease," or "I am aligned with the energy of success." Repeat them with conviction, even if you don't fully believe them yet. Over time, Your mind will start to accept them as truth. Let's shift gears and discuss a key concept that often confuses chosen ones: divine timing. This is the idea that everything unfolds at the perfect time, even if it doesn't align with your expectations. As humans, we often want things to happen on our timeline. But the universe operates on a broader perspective, orchestrating events in ways that are often beyond our understanding. Think of a time in your life when something didn't go as planned, only for you to realize later that it was a blessing in disguise. Maybe you didn't get a job you wanted, but it led you to a better opportunity, or a relationship ended, clearing the way for one that truly aligned with your soul. These are examples of divine timing at work. Trusting divine timing requires patience and faith. It's about surrendering the need to control every detail and allowing the universe to work its magic. This doesn't mean you stop taking action. It means you take inspired action and trust the process. When you release the need for immediate results, you create space for miracles to happen. Here's an exercise to strengthen your faith in divine timing. Write down a list of things you desire but don't yet have. Next to each one, write a statement like, "I trust this will come to me at the perfect time," or "The universe is working behind the scenes to bring this into my reality." Whenever doubt creeps in, revisit this list as a reminder that you're supported. Before we move forward, let's reflect on one more important truth. You don't need to have it all figured out. As a chosen one, your path is not linear. It's a journey of growth, learning, and unfolding. There will be times of clarity and times of confusion, and both are equally valuable. What matters most is your willingness to align, trust, and take the next step. In the next segment, we'll explore how to navigate challenges and setbacks without losing your vibrational alignment. These moments are often the greatest tests of your faith, but they also hold the potential for the most profound growth. Stay with me. You're on the brink of discovering how to turn obstacles into stepping stones toward abundance. As we continue this journey, let's face an undeniable truth. Challenges and setbacks are an inevitable part of life, even for the chosen ones. These moments can feel like the universe is testing your faith, pushing you to your limits, or even withholding the abundance you desire. But here's the secret. Challenges aren't barriers, they're stepping stones. They are the universe's way of refining you, strengthening your alignment, and preparing you for the blessings ahead. Let's start by redefining setbacks. Instead of viewing them as failures or punishments, see them as feedback. Every challenge carries a message, a lesson designed to bring you closer to your higher self. For example, financial struggles might be teaching you to release scarcity-based beliefs. Relationship conflicts could be highlighting areas where you need to heal or set boundaries. Health challenges might be calling you to prioritize self-care or realign with your body. The first step in navigating setbacks is to shift your perspective. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What is this teaching me?" This simple shift transforms you from a victim of circumstances to an empowered co-creator of your reality. It's not always easy, but it's a game changer. Let's ground this with a practical example. Imagine you've been working toward a career breakthrough, but every opportunity seems to fall through. It's easy to spiral into frustration and doubt, questioning whether abundance is even meant for you. But what if this delay is protecting you from settling for less than you deserve? What if the universe is aligning something far greater, something you're not ready to see yet? When you approach setbacks with curiosity and trust, they lose their power to derail you. Now let's talk about maintaining your vibrational alignment during these moments. One of the most powerful tools you can use is gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's present. Even in the midst of challenges, there's always something to be grateful for: a supportive friend, a moment of peace, or simply the breath in your lungs. Gratitude raises your vibration and opens the door for more blessings to flow in. Here's a quick exercise. Whenever you feel overwhelmed by a setback, pause and list 5 things you're grateful for. Write them down, say them aloud, or simply hold them in your mind. Notice how your energy shifts from contraction to expansion. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good practice, it's a magnet for abundance. Let's dive deeper into the idea of resilience, a quality every chosen one must cultivate. Resilience is the ability to bounce back, to rise stronger after every fall. It's not about avoiding challenges, but embracing them as opportunities to grow. Think of a tree in a storm. Its branches may bend, but its roots hold firm. That's what resilience looks like, staying rooted in your truth, even when the winds of life try to uproot you. One way to build resilience is through self-compassion. Too often, we're our harshest critics, especially when things go wrong. But berating yourself only lowers your vibration. Instead, speak to yourself with kindness and encouragement as you would to a dear friend. Remind yourself that setbacks are temporary, but your potential is limitless. Let's address a question that might be lingering in your mind. How do I know I'm still aligned when everything feels like it's falling apart? The answer lies in your emotional guidance system. Your emotions are like a compass, pointing you toward or away from alignment. When you feel joy, peace, or excitement, you're in alignment. When you feel fear, doubt, or frustration, you're out of sync. But here's the key: negative emotions aren't your enemy. They're simply signals alerting you to areas that need attention. Instead of suppressing them, acknowledge them. Ask yourself, what is this emotion trying to tell me? For example, fear might be signaling a limiting belief that needs to be released. Anger might be highlighting a boundary that's been crossed. By listening to your emotions, you can course correct and return to alignment. Let's move to a powerful concept that ties all of this together: surrender. Surrender doesn't mean giving up. It means letting go of the need to control every outcome. It's about trusting that the universe has your back, even when the path isn't clear. Surrender is one of the hardest lessons for chosen ones, but it's also one of the most liberating. Think of surrender like floating in a river. When you fight the current, you exhaust yourself and make little progress. But when you relax and trust the flow, you move effortlessly toward your destination. The same is true for your journey. When you surrender, you align with the natural flow of abundance, allowing it to come to you with ease. Here's an exercise to practice surrender. Write down something you're currently struggling with. It could be a financial worry, a relationship issue, or a health concern. Then, write a statement of release, such as, "I surrender this to the universe. I trust that it's being resolved in the best possible way." Place the paper somewhere you'll see it daily as a reminder to let go and trust. Before we move forward, I want to leave you with this thought. Every great story includes moments of struggle. Think of the hero's journey, the setbacks, the trials, the moments of doubt. But these moments are what make the triumph so powerful. Your story is no different. The challenges you face today are shaping you into the person who will achieve greatness tomorrow. In the next segment, we'll uncover advanced tools and techniques to supercharge your alignment and deepen your connection to abundance. These insights will take your journey to the next level, so stay with me. The best is yet to come. You've made it this far, and that's a testament to your commitment to stepping into your power as a chosen one. In this segment, we'll explore advanced tools and techniques to amplify your vibrational alignment, solidify your connection with your higher self, and accelerate the manifestation of abundance. These techniques are like keys that unlock the door to a more abundant, purposeful, and joyful life. Let's begin with a deeper understanding of vibrational consistency. Maintaining a high vibration isn't about being positive 24/7. That's neither realistic nor necessary. Instead, it's about returning to alignment as quickly as possible when you notice you've veered off course. Think of your vibration like a pendulum. Life's challenges might swing you temporarily out of alignment, but the goal is to find your way back to center with ease and grace. One of the most effective tools for vibrational consistency is morning priming. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Before you check your phone, dive into emails, or engage with the outside world, take a few moments to connect with your higher self. Here's a simple morning routine to help you prime your vibration. Gratitude practice. Upon waking, list 3 things you're grateful for. They can be as simple as a good night's sleep or the sunlight streaming through your window. Gratitude immediately elevates your vibration and creates a foundation of positivity. Visualization. Spend a few minutes visualizing your day going smoothly. See yourself handling challenges with ease, experiencing joy, and aligning with opportunities. This primes your mind to expect positive outcomes. Affirmations. Speak or write affirmations that resonate with your desires. For example, I am worthy of success, I attract abundance effortlessly, or I am aligned with my highest good. Repeat them with conviction. Mindful movement. Incorporate gentle movement, like stretching or yoga, to awaken your body and align your energy. Movement helps release stagnant energy and sets the stage for flow. As you integrate these practices, you'll notice a shift in how you approach your day. You'll feel more grounded, centered, and ready to face whatever comes your way. Now let's talk about a powerful technique to amplify your manifestations: scripting. Scripting is the practice of writing about your desired reality as if it's already happened. It's a way of anchoring your vibration in the energy of your goals, making them feel tangible and real. Here's how to script effectively. Grab a journal and write a letter to yourself, dated 1 year in the future. Describe your life in vivid detail. Where are you living? What does your daily routine look like? How do you feel about your accomplishments? Use present tense language and infuse your writing with emotion. For example, I am so grateful for the incredible opportunities that have come my way this year. My career is thriving, and I wake up each day excited to do work I love. Financial abundance flows effortlessly into my life, and I have the freedom to travel, create, and give back. My relationships are deep and fulfilling, and I feel completely aligned with my higher self. Scripting not only clarifies your desires, but also strengthens your belief in their manifestation. Read your script often, allowing the emotions to wash over you as if it's already your reality. Let's shift to another advanced tool, energy clearing. As a chosen one, you're naturally sensitive to the energy around you. Over time, you might absorb negativity from people, environments, or even your own thoughts. This stagnant energy can block your vibration and create resistance. Regular energy clearing helps you release these blocks and return to a state of flow. Here's a simple energy clearing ritual you can do anytime you feel weighed down. Smudging. Use sage, palo santo, or incense to cleanse your space. As the smoke rises, imagine it carrying away any negative energy. Say aloud, I release all energy that does not serve my highest good. Salt baths. Soak in a bath with sea salt or Epsom salt. Salt is known for its purifying properties and can help clear your aura. As you soak, visualize the water washing away any heaviness or tension. Sound healing. Use sound to raise your vibration, whether it's through singing bowls, chimes, or simply playing uplifting music. The vibrations of sound penetrate deeply, clearing energetic blocks and restoring harmony. Finally, let's discuss a key element that often gets overlooked: play and joy. Manifestation isn't meant to be a serious, rigid process. In fact, the more you can infuse joy, curiosity, and playfulness into your journey, the more magnetic your vibration becomes. Laughter, creativity, and fun are some of the highest vibrational states you can embody. Ask yourself, when was the last time you did something purely for the joy of it? Maybe it's dancing around your living room, painting, cooking a favorite meal, or spending time in nature. Whatever lights you up, do more of it. Joy isn't a distraction from manifestation, it's an essential ingredient. Before we move to the final segment, let's take a moment to reflect. You've come a long way on this journey, uncovering tools and insights that will serve you for a lifetime. Remember, abundance isn't something you achieve, it's something you align with. Every step you take, every small shift in your vibration, brings you closer to the life you desire. In the final segment, we'll tie everything together with a powerful conclusion and a call to action that will solidify your path to abundance. Stay with me. This is where the transformation comes full circle. You've reached the final leg of this transformative journey, and I want you to pause for a moment to acknowledge how far you've come. The insights, tools, and practices we've explored are not just ideas. They are your gateway to a reality filled with abundance, joy, and purpose. But here's the truth that ties everything together. Abundance is already within you. It's not something you chase or earn. It's something you remember and reclaim. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. You've discovered the power of vibrational alignment, the ability to tune your energy to the frequency of abundance. You've explored the profound connection with your higher self, a guiding force that is always attuned to your highest good. You've learned to navigate challenges with grace, transforming obstacles into stepping stones. And you've embraced advanced tools like visualization, scripting, and energy clearing to amplify your manifestations. But knowledge alone isn't enough. The real transformation happens when you take action. It's in the daily practices, the consistent choices, and the unwavering commitment to aligning with your higher self that your life begins to shift. Let's outline some practical next steps to ensure you stay on this path. First, make a commitment to integrate what resonates with you. Maybe it's starting a gratitude practice, meditating each morning, or scripting your ideal life. Choose one or two tools that feel most aligned with where you are right now, and begin there. Remember, you don't need to do everything at once. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Second, cultivate patience. Manifestation is a process, not an overnight event. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, even when you can't see the results yet. Divine timing is always at play, ensuring that everything unfolds at the perfect moment. Keep nurturing your vibration and know that what you seek is already seeking you. Third, surround yourself with support. As a chosen one, your journey might feel lonely at times, but you are never truly alone. Seek out like-minded individuals who understand and support your path. Whether it's through online communities, spiritual groups, or trusted friends, connection amplifies your energy and keeps you inspired. Finally, practice gratitude for where you are right now. It's easy to focus on what's missing or what you want to achieve, but don't overlook the beauty of the present moment. Gratitude is the ultimate vibrational amplifier. When you appreciate what you have, you signal to the universe that you're ready for more. Now, I want to leave you with a powerful truth that will carry you forward. Your desires are not random. The dreams and goals you hold in your heart were placed there for a reason. They are the whispers of your soul, guiding you toward your highest potential. The universe wants you to succeed, not because you need external validation, but because your success inspires and uplifts others. When you align with abundance, you become a beacon of light, showing others what's possible. As we bring this journey to a close, I want to share a final exercise to solidify everything we've covered. It's called the Abundance Declaration. Take a moment to repeat these words either aloud or in your mind. I am a powerful creator. Abundance flows to me effortlessly and continuously. I am aligned with my highest good, and everything I desire is already on its way to me. I trust the universe, and I trust myself. I am worthy of all the blessings life has to offer. And so it is. Feel the truth of these words as you speak them. Let them anchor you in a state of trust, confidence, and joy. This declaration is more than a statement. It's a commitment to your future self, the version of you that's already living in alignment with abundance. I want to leave you with one final thought. The path of the chosen one is not always easy, but it is always worth it. Every step you take toward alignment, every moment of self-discovery, brings you closer to the life you're meant to live. Keep trusting, keep growing, and keep shining your light. The world needs you, and the universe is ready to support you every step of the way. Before you go, there's something important I want to share. This journey doesn't end here. It's only the beginning. If today's message resonated with you, I invite you to watch our previous video. You were chosen for this moment. This message is meant just for you right now. It's a powerful continuation of everything we've explored today, and it's filled with insights that will deepen your alignment and purpose. If you found value in this video, please take a moment to like, comment, and share it with others who might need to hear this message. Your engagement not only helps this channel grow, but also spreads this energy of abundance and empowerment to those who need it most. And remember, your journey as a chosen one is unique, powerful, and unfolding perfectly. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay aligned and keep shining your light.